Did you hear that Rhode Island is asterisk already, serving up some of the wildest drama Bravo has ever seen? The highly anticipated Real Housewives of Rhode Island premiere just dropped, and honey, it's a full-blown chaotic carnival of shocking revelations and unconventional love lives that will leave you speechless. We meet a cast packed with vibrant personalities, from Alicia, the self-described flip-flopper with a 9-year engagement, to Liz, the self-proclaimed queen of weed, who runs a cannabis empire. But the real tea spilled when we discovered Liz is married to her distant relative after an ancestry DNA test. Talk about a jaw-dropper. Then there's Kelsey, a former Miss Rhode Island, who shockingly admits her much older, unnamed boyfriend spends half the year in Miami with his other partner. Our jaws are still on the floor. As if that wasn't enough, Joellen emerges as the season's potential villain, with whispers of a wild past involving a tanning salon owner and his wife, while Nosy Rosie stirs the pot by outright accusing Joellen of being a swinger. The drama truly ignites at Joellen's 4th of July party, where past tensions explode, and new rumors surface, leaving Kelsey confused about who to trust. With guest appearances from Real Housewives of New Jersey's Dolores Catania, who's staying all summer, and Ashley from Bachelor Nation hinting at her post-Paradise struggles, it's clear the season is going to be explosive. The episode wraps with tantalizing hints from Alicia and Ashley about massive cheating scandals and secrets poised to rock the group, a true Housewives tradition. If you're as hooked as we are on these wild revelations, make sure to hit that subscribe button for all the exclusive tea.
Be in the know with Hollywood gossip. Subscribe for comprehensive coverage.